Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the two important features of Microsoft Excel when you are dealing a large amount of data, that is freeze and hide. So first we are going to study freeze. What is the use of freeze? Suppose you have large amount of data. Here you can see this particular row has got different columns and it has got different heading, name of the student, identification number, mentor, etc. And also the first column has got the student name. Even if you scroll down, you should be able to see the heading, but in this case we are not going to see the heading. So this should be difficult. Every time you have to scroll up and see what this particular column belongs to. See here, this particular row B has got student name. If you scroll to the right hand side, you will not see student name. So when you are dealing with a large amount of data, you should use these features called freeze. For this, just we have to click cell right to the column which you want to freeze, and also just below the row which you want to freeze. We can freeze both column and row together. So here in this case I am going to just click on C3 cell because I want to freeze above this C3 cell, because entire row I am going to freeze, and similarly I am going to freeze the entire column left to this particular cell. Just I am clicking this cell and you can click view tab, and you see here in this ribbon you see there is a icon called freeze panes. Just click that drop down menu. Here there are different options. Even if you have some heading in the topmost row, you can freeze only the topmost row if you click this icon. Suppose if you want to click only the first column, that is A, then you can click this freeze first column. But I am not going to use these two features because it has got very good feature called freeze pane. I am going to click these features now. Now you can see, if you scroll down, even if you have hundred or thousands of students, still you are able to see the heading, that is the rows which contains heading. Even if I scroll right side, always I will see the student's name. So this is actually freezing. Once again I will repeat, to do this we have to click a cell adjacent, that means right hand side of the column which you are going to freeze, and also just one row below where we want to freeze that particular row, and go to view tab and click over freeze pane, and if you want to remove this freeze, just click unfreeze. This is freeze panes. Now we'll see what is called hide. Again, this feature is very important when you are dealing large amount of data. In this spreadsheet, you can see here this particular data for week 1, that it contains attendance in percentage and weekly assessment for problem based learning, TBL and seminar. And this is for week 2. Similarly, this is for week 3. So imagine we are in a week 3. So we want to send only the week 3 attendance and assessment to particular mentor. So for this we are going to use hide. We don't want this week 1 and week 2 should come in our spreadsheet. For this, just you select week 1 till week 2 and right click. You can see there is a option called hide. Just click over it. You can see there is, so all week 1 and week 2 assessment are now, it is not seen in our spreadsheet, but actually it is hidden in our spreadsheet. Now you can see the assessment only for week 3, attendance and the marks of different assessment. Now using this feature, suppose you want to send mentor Dr. X, then you click over mentor and uncheck the select all and only just check the box adjacent to Dr. X and click OK. Now we can copy the assessment for week 3 to the mentor Dr. X, and you can see all the students assigned to Dr. S will appear in this particular table. You can copy and just directly attach to email, or you can copy to Microsoft Word and then you can send to particular mentor. Okay, to go back again, you go to mentor, the drop down menu, select all and click OK. If you want to bring back the week 1 and week 2 assessment, just click these two column, right click it and click unhide. You can see whatever the rows or columns we hide just 2 minutes before, it will appear here. So this is freeze and hide. Again, the very useful, the very important features of Microsoft Excel when we deal large amount of data in a particular spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.